Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Heath Bar Shake. I'm adding my ice and water. I'm going to do about 20 ounces of ice and water. Add more ice if you like your shakes thicker. I'm adding 1 scoop of Dulce Healthy Meal, 1 scoop of Pralines and Cream Healthy Meal, 2 scoops of our chocolate protein drink mix, and then I'm adding some caramel pudding mix. And then I'm going to add some Heath Bar crumbled up candy. While that's blending, I'm going to decorate my cup. I'm doing chocolate sugar-free syrup in there and sugar-free caramel syrup. I'm going to put my lid on, pour my shake in. Then I'm going to top it with some whipped cream, some more chocolate syrup and caramel syrup, and then I'm going to add more Heath Bar candy to the top. And that's how you make a Heath Bar shake. Thanks for watching.